Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, today also as like before we brought something special for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet home decor ideas. So we'll be go and over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your home crocheting ideas. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Here are some benefits of using crochet in home decor. The first and the main one is customization. You can create unique piece tailored to your personal style and home aesthetic. Creativity. Crocheting allows for endless creative expressions through patterns, colors, and textures. Sustainability. Using natural fibers can reduce environmental impact compared to mass-produced decor. Therapeutic. The repetitive motion of crocheting can be calming and meditative. Skill development. Crocheting improves fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Cost effective. Making your own decor can be more affordable than buying store-bought items. Versatility. Crochet can be based for a variety of home decor items from blankets to wall hanging. Personalization. Add personal touch that reflects your personality. Special events. Gift handmade. Crochet items make thoughtful personalized gift for friends and family. Dear viewers, as like before, we are always trying to discuss in our previous videos regarding special gift to your special friends and family members. If you have any of one your special friends and you have great love with her, you wanna give him some special gift. We have very unique and outclass idea for you. If you know crocheting, it will be well for you. But if you don't know crocheting, don't worry, we have very smooth solution for that. We just make a contact with the guy who know crocheting and tell him, first of all, you have to select one of the pieces and then give him order to prepare the same design for your special one. I'm sure if you give that gift to your special one, he or she will remember that gift for hundreds of years. Home warmth. Crochet items add warmth and coziness to a space, making it feel more inviting. Textile variety. Introduce various texture can enhance the visual appearance of your home. Seasonal decor. Easily create items for different seasons or holidays to refresh your decor. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Community. Joining crochet groups can foster friendship and a sense of community. Handmade quality. Handmade items often carry a quality and uniqueness that mass-produced items lack. Mindfulness. The focus required to crocheting encourages mindfulness and presence in the moment. Accessibility. Crocheting can be done anywhere, making it a portable hobby. Family bonding. Involve family members in crocheting for shared experience and memories. Functionality. Crochet can be both decorative and functional, that is, coasters and baskets. Tradition. Crochet often involves cultural techniques and patterns, preserving traditional craft. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. Keep watching our videos. Thank you very much for your support.